Hello everyone, it's me B. Merwan. I am one of the most popular bakery of Mumbai and I am 105 years old. My father, late Mr. Bomi Irani, established me. Then further his children took care of me. My grandsons Sarosh Irani and Bomi Irani take care of me now. Now Sarosh is going to tell you the rest of my story.
The bakery was started by my grandfather Mr. Bomi Irani. My grandfather was from Iran, Nakshe Jahan Square, Isfahan. In the initial years, he and his wife used to bake breads and sell it to door. And later in 1914, he established his own bakery near Grant Road station named B. Merwan. The main motive of our bakery is to serve the poor ones like cab driver, workers. We offer bun maska and chai for 27 rupees only, such that a common man can afford it twice a day. Our quality standards and taste is maintained because we haven't changed our suppliers yet. Our method of preparation remains the same from the past 105 years. We still continue to use wood fire to bake our bread. We serve our products in signature ceramic dishes. We have also imported chairs from Iran, which gives a feeling of home. We do not encourage usage of plastic, hence have always inclined towards paper wrapping. Every person working here works as it's their own bakery. B. Merwan is the only family business. Many people asked for our franchise, but we denied. The bakery B. Merwan and Company 1914 is the only one. We have no branches. B. Merwan is not at all related to Merwans. A person named M.K. Irani started a new chain named Merwans. Customer gets misguided and consider Merwans as a part of B. Merwan. Our main motive is to help the poor. We allow hawkers to sell our products at different places. Many people love the taste of our products, hence there is more and more demand from distant places. Our specialities are mawa cake, jam puff, mama, samosa, etc. Meanwhile, there was a news that B. Merwan was being permanently closed. After that, we received many letters and emails from our customers requesting us to reopen our bakery. Later, we informed that it was a mistake by the news reporters. Later, few lawyers also approached us to sue the news reporters, but we didn't. But yes, we did shut down temporarily for maintenance reasons. On 30th September 2019, B. Merwan had shut down temporarily for maintenance reasons. As the owner of this bakery, it's pretty difficult for us to manage everything so smoothly. Ajna jamanama, it is very, very difficult to maintain it. You have to maintain the same price. You have to maintain the same quality. But the smile on the customer's face makes it worth it. જ્યારે કસ્ટમર ખાઈને એમના મોઢા પર જે સ્માઇલ આવે અને બોલે કે પૈસા વસૂલ થઈ ગયા ખાઈને, that gives us satisfaction. એના જેવું satisfaction કોઈ નથી. પૈસા ગયા ટેલ લેવા. Customer satisfaction is the first priority. You can ask other customers, you can ask my relatives to know more about B. Merwan.
When we came here, हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा वो खाना. Specifically veg patties and the mawa cake. It's God.
What is the favorite product of yours?
Mawa cake.
Okay, બાવા ચાલો રજા લઈએ મજામાં. Tata, bye bye. Thank you.